this is Emily from No Ordinary Hair and Beauty Salon. How can I help?
Hey Emily, I was just checking. Do you provide men's haircut services?
Yes, we do offer men's haircut services. The men's cut and style is priced between £25 35. I just need your phone number to complete the booking. Could you provide that, please? I've got your appointment.
Hey, what if I tell you that you can now have a completely free AI agent, or rather, I would say multimodal voice AI agent that will work for your business, whether it is lead generation or it's appointment scheduling and all this stuff, and you don't have to actually pay $1,000 bill every month to actually implement an AI solution for your website or for your multimodal use cases. Now, I know this is sounds absurd, but I'm going to actually show you how I have done this. And as part of the demo, I have created also an UI component for a saloon website. So in this video, we are actually going to do some deep dive into the code that I have created using, of course, livekit, because I have been covering livekit agent in depth in this channel. So if you're first time coming into the channel, please make sure to subscribe and also check the previous playlist where I have covered all the livekit agents use cases and different premium features in the previous videos. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually create a free AI agent with your AI API token services, your STT and TTS as well. So let's go and dive into the screen and let me share you the coding deep dive. Shall we? So here is the agent code. This is really simple and very similar to how I have created before. So basically what we're doing is first we are loading our environment files, which is this environment file where we have all the API keys mentioned in there. And I have created a sample knowledge base, just like the previous AI agent services that I have shown you. That's like the company data markdown file where I have given the location and contact, the different hair services available in this unisex hair salon. The hair salon name is No Ordinary Hair Salon, of course, by the channel name. They provide color service, hair treatments, nail care, facial treatments, and waxing service, and all these bits. It also talks about some additional services and booking informations about booking policies and some special offers as well. So these are all I have mentioned in a knowledge document. Of course, it doesn't have to be a knowledge document. It can be an API call, of course, if you want to do that. Because what we are going to do essentially in the agent is we are going to use function calling, and I'm going to show you exactly how we have done it. But if you have been following the channel, you already know how I have done it in the previous videos. So it is almost same. It's just the bit where I have modified to use the free AI APIs as well as free STT and TTS services to power up this agent. So let's see quickly one by one how this thing works. Now, of course, what it is doing as it is starting up, it's just checking whether there is a data available in Salon company data, and it's basically doing a vector indexing of the data or the markdown file, and that's where you see this knowledge base having a couple of JSON files. So it's basically creating all of the data into a vectorized format in a JSON file. We have kept it in local store, and as I have said in the previous video, you do not want to keep that like this in production. This is just a demo, so I've just done it in this way. And then I have created a separate class called saloon book function, and in the saloon booking functions we have introduced a couple of tools basically, or rather functions. So first function is set customer info. This is basically AI agent will call this particular function to validate customer contact information. For example, if customer has called up and tried to book a service, of course you need the customer's name and phone number. So that's what it's going to ask, the name and the phone number, and it's going to validate the number whether it's a UK number or not, and then it's basically going to put the order basically here. Similarly, second is if there is any particular information that the user asks regarding the services or different offers or stuff that I have already shown you as available in the company data. So that is also using another function called query saloon info. And as part of query saloon info, we are using the Llama index query engine. Now I have covered in much depth about the Llama index query engine as part of the LiveKit AI agent series. If you have not seen it, please go ahead and check the series. I will attach the link in the description where I have talked about three different RAG technique that you can use with livekit agent. So this is one of the technique where we use Llama index query engine and just querying the vector database to find out the information based on user's query basically. The third service is when the user want to book the saloon services. Of course, again, it will first check the customer's phone number and name. If it is all present, then it will ask for preferred date of appointments and time of appointment, and it's going to actually do the booking. Now, as part of the demo, I'm not actually doing any direct API call. Rather, what I've done is I have created a kind of mock service. So if you see this mock order service, there are a couple of functions like validate phone number, validate date time, process order, and all these functions, as you can see. Of course, you can change this and do a direct API call. So basically just take the mock order service Python file, and instead of just doing it locally, you can actually call an API and just return the response. That's why that can be easily done, right? And then you have the actual function agent call, and you can see it's just this bit of code, what 10 lines of code, which is powering up the whole AI agent. Here I have given the system context, saying that you are on voice assistant for no ordinary hair and beauty salon, which is located in this address. It's just saying that you help with customer book appointments, use available function and tools to answer user queries. While taking the booking, first ask the customer name and phone number in sequence. You should use short and concise response, and response users could be of any age group. So that means if a user also speaks slow or from different cultural background, then it should be able to use its own judgment and respond accordingly. Other than that, it's very same. The way livekit works is the client connects to the WebRTC server room, and then once a client actually joins a room, then livekit assigns this particular agents as a worker to the room, and then that works. Now, the way we have done it completely free is, if you see in the previous videos, if you have been following, we have been using OpenAI GPT-4o Mini, which is again a very cheap model, but it really works good when it comes to function calling. But I wanted to test some open source model as part of this project, and that's why I tested with groq. Now, groq provides API key for absolutely free, but the thing that you need to remember is, because as part of this agent call, we need to do function calling. That's why we need the LLM model which supports function call, and that is why what we have done is we came here and we have actually selected the llama 3 70 billion model with tool use preview. Oh, you can use other models, but if you have tool use, of course, or function calling use cases, I would recommend you to use this particular model, and that is this particular model that we have used here. So if you see here, that's the model we have specified. To use the groq service or this particular groq with groq function and this model, you need a groq API key, of course, and you can get it easily from the groq UI or the playground component. I'm going to show you quickly how you can get that. You just need to set it here. Groq API key is this the API key. So for example, if you go here in the groq playground, and then if you click here in the API keys, you will be able to actually create an API key for absolutely free. You do not need to even use any credit card or anything, and they give sufficient usage tier. And then I'm going back to the code again. So if you have the function also specified, the function context is salon book function, which I have shown you before. And other than that, we are using deepgram for both STT and TTS. So STT is for speech to text. So that means whenever the user is speaking something, we are going to use the deepgram speech to text model. And as well as for TTS, we are using deepgram as well. The reason why I'm using deepgram is deepgram provide you $200 of free credit to use. And I'm going to attach the link in the description, that maybe affiliate links, but anyway, you are getting $200 free credit. So just go ahead, use it, and trust me, $200 is a lot of money when it comes to using STT and TTS, because it's hardly actually uses the credit. You can easily use it for like couple of hours of audio transcription and TTS with deepgrams services. So that's what I'm using as part of this demo as well. Of course, there will be rate limiting stuff, so do not try to use it for production scenario. Even if you try to do that, I would say use pay as you go option in whatever AI model that you use, because the free options are not worth it. But of course, for your testing purposes, you can definitely use this and test it completely free. And even that is why I have also added Cerebrus model as well. So if you have access to Cerebrus, you can actually also use Cerebrus instead of groq, because Cerebrus is the fastest inference that is available in the internet today. But the thing that you need to remember is, if you want to use Cerebrus, have only three models so far available. So you just want to use Llama 3.37.70 billion model, because that supports the tool usage. The other model that is available in Cerebrus, which is I think 3.1, doesn't actually support tool calling. So if you go here in the tool use documentation of Cerebrus, you will see that even in their example somewhere, they are using the Llama 3.270 billion model, and that's what I have used. Now, recently I have got access to Cerebrus and their API key after months of waiting, thanks to Cerebrus for giving me the access so I could test it. And that's what I have actually started to test it even with this particular demo. Now that's it. And there's nothing else, and you just add the agent into the room, and this is the basically welcome message whenever the agent starts up. That's it, what we are doing in the entire agent code, which is like what, a few hundred lines of code, and your AI agent is ready. So next up, let's go ahead and test it, shall we? So to test it, it's very, very simple. There is nothing crazy there. So all you have to do is just create an Conda environment. Now I have already done that, but I'm just going to quickly show you. So just create an environment, Conda create -n, and whatever the command, just ask ChatGPT. It's very simple. And then you have a requirement.txt where you have to install all this module. So once you activate the environment, for example, let me activate this one, activate. I have activated LK test that already have got all these modules, but all you have to do is just run pip install -r requirement.txt, and that will install everything. And once it's all installed, all you have to do is just start the AI agent. Now, before I go forward and start the agent, all I want to ask you is that to create all this particular tutorial, it takes a lot of time and effort, and sometimes it takes a lot of cost as well. So if you can, please give it a like if the video brings a lot of values to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you can now also take memberships, so any members over inside Explorer also can join our weekly meetup that I do with the SaaS course members who have taken my SaaS course, where I am actually creating an completely AI powered SaaS, and I'm showing you exactly step by step process on how you can actually build an enterprise grade SaaS. So if you're someone who is interested in creating AI agent for your business, or you are interested in creating your own SaaS, leveraging AI in every step of the flow, from idea to marketing to building, designing, and launch. So don't skip the opportunity and use the link below and join the course, because there are many business owners and different developers are coming to the course, and we are having some weekly discussions on various topics to really get updated to the forefront of this particular AI wave that is currently running on. So I'll hope to see you into the weekly meetup call, whether it's through the membership or it's through the SaaS course. It's the choice is up to you, but both of these will actually help me both financially, as well as it will also support me to create more such valuable content. So please consider that. And with that said, let's proceed with our demo. So I'm just going to start this AI agent, which is free. I think I'm in the wrong folder if I'm not wrong. So I just need to go to completely free agent, and then I can just start this agent, which is free salon agent, and just hit start. And as you start it, the agent will be started and it will register itself into the livekit room. Hopefully, if my internet works fine, which has been a pain for the rest of the day today. And there we go, the agent has started. Now let me go ahead and start the UI, of course. So just need to run npm run dev, and this is a very simple UI. I have already shared the code as part of one of the previous live kit video, this simple demo application. All I have done is just change the text and everything, nothing else. So maybe again, if you want to download the agent and the previous front end that I have shared, use the link below and you can actually grab it for free. So this is our website, which is for the No Ordinary Hair Salon. and let's give it a test. Let's just give it a quick call. Click here.
Hi, this is Emily from No Ordinary Hair and Beauty Salon. How can I help?
Hi, Emily. I was just checking. Do you provide men's haircut services? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead and ask your query.
I was just asking, do you provide men's haircut services? Hello. No, this has been a problem, of course, because we are using the free AI services. Let's do one thing. Let's actually change it to Cerebrus and see if the performance improves. Now, it could be because of my internet as well, to be frank, because the internet has been pretty shitty the entire day. So let me just turn off the agent
I can help.
and let's just end the call. Oh, yeah, I think it was using Cerebrus, but let's use the groq for the next testing. And then let's restart the agent and let's see how the service works with groq. I can see that with Cerebrus, it was able to fetch the data of using the function call and everything, but there were some issues with the response, and it seems like it's the OpenAI LLM. That means it was an issue with the Cerebrus probably, but let's see that. And it could be again my internet connection, as I said. Let's give it a call.
Hi, this is Emily from No Ordinary Hair and Beauty.
I think it's my internet because I can see that in the middle of talking, it started connecting to things, and I don't know why. Let me just end the call. Let's try again.
Hi, this is Emily from No Ordinary Hair and Beauty Salon. How can I help?
Hey Emily, I was just checking. Do you provide men's haircut services?
Yes, we do offer men's haircut services. The men's cut and style is priced between £25 35. Would you like to book an appointment for this service?
Yeah, sure. Let's do that.
Great. Would you please provide me with your name?
My name is Avijit. Hello.
No problem. Hi, Jit. I just need your phone number to complete the booking. Could you provide that, please?
Yeah, my phone number is 07123456 789. Did you get it?
I've got your appointment for a men's haircut service on 2023-1005 at 14. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you. No, of course, I haven't implemented it for production. So that is why the date it shows random. We have to give all that into the proper prompt query and everything. And again, we discuss all of this as part of the SaaS course, how actually you should build your AI agent to be a production standard, what all things that you should be keeping on mind. So if you can, maybe you can just join the course and we can have a larger discussion on there. But regardless, I think this is what I wanted to show you, and this is again absolutely free to try. So get the code and try it for yourself and let me know in the comments what use cases you can think of, and moreover what use cases you want me to cover as part of this AI agent creation series that I am covering on this channel. Now, with that said, I'm going to end this video here, and I really hope you have got some value. So don't forget to give it a like, and again, reminding you to subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss what's upcoming, because there is a really interesting content upcoming into the channel. With that said, I'm going to end the video here, and Merry Christmas to you. Please take care, and I'll see you onto the next one. Bye.